UPS drop off, Nike.com, you know. Goddamn Jordan 12. Some people call it Wolf Gray, some people call it Carolinas. Yeah. Things here fly, man. Got that velvet leather feel, you know. Dreaming the edges. Let me get up closer just so y'all can see them. They're fire. Carolina blue jump, man. White little gator skin. Supposed to resemble basketball, I guess. The dark blue Jordan, Carolina blue 23. Gray paws with the Carolina blue fiber. So these bitches here clean. Got your silver Jordan eyelids. Carolina blue Jumpman. Your 2-3. Like a lighter white looking color. Gray insoles with the black Jumpman. I mean your red insoles with the black Jumpman. The dark blue sock lining. Dark blue pull tab with the Carolina blue hints on the side. Blue Jordan. Carolina blue. Tracing. Dark blue. Love this white bottom sole though. Yeah, man. Close up HD look at these Jordan. Man, these things fire though in person. Like them better in person. That's what it is, man. Carolinas. Or them grays.